Hey, Corey here, Canadian RC guy. Well, we're back working on our Bigfoot again this week. Hopefully we can keep this thing from wheeling so much. Keep it on the ground a little bit so we can enjoy it. But first off, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. We've grown quite a bit in the last little bit. I think we're up to like 105, 106 subscribers now. So I just want to say thank you very much to everyone. And one of those new subscribers let me know when I did the unboxing last week, one of my stupid comments. I'm so used to all my little crawler RCs and stuff. I talked to with the shocks and I said they were adjustable. What they have are like the little spring preloads. Sorry, I got a couple of them out here for you. Like little spring preloads. So when I said adjustable, I meant you can put these different spring preloads in. We've got a couple actually in right now. That's helped a little bit from the wheeling. But what we're gonna put on this week is a wheelie bar from Traxxas. It's part number 3678. It works for a few different models. It works for our Bigfoot, works for a Slash. I think it works for, so Stampede obviously. Our Slash, I think it works, you know what? I forget what else it works, but it works for a handful of things. But we got this from our local hobby shop. If you can, always shop local. I know Amazon's great. It brings everything next day for you most of the time. But when you can, hit up your local hobby shop. They always do a great job. I can wait a few days. So give me a minute. I'll bring this camera in. I'll show you our poor Bigfoot body. She took quite a beat last time. And this is why we're putting that wheelie bar on. So as you can see, she got pretty beat up when we were driving around on the skate park without that wheelie bar. She's got some good bends and crinkles in it already. You can see here at the back, we've already cut a hole into it from dragging it on the ground. This corner's on its way. Our poor old bumper's just getting beat up. So that's why we're gonna do this wheelie bar. It's a pretty simple design. Wheelie bar, 3 new screws. It's got a great set of instructions, but it's pretty simple to do. All you gotta do here, I'll try and get my hand underneath to show you. So it's just this bracket that comes off. There's 2 screws on this side, 1 screw on this side, and it just pops right off. And then you're able to slide this one right in its place. So give me a minute. I'm sure you guys have seen this done before in other videos, so I'm not gonna waste your time. And we'll have this thing back with a brand new wheelie bar. So there we go, all done. Pretty simple process. Only took us about 5 minutes. Take your back tires off. It does help out a ton just to get to those little screws. It's got 4 settings. 1 here, kind of give us the lowest setting if you don't want to do too much of a wheelie. Go to the next one, kind of the medium setting. The next one there. And then right all the way to the bottom if you want to be doing wheelies all day long. So give us a couple minutes. We'll get a battery thrown in this thing. We'll head on back to the skate park and see what we can do today. So here we are, back with our Bigfoot. Our little park was a little too wet. We've had a ton of rain in the last few days. So we're just down the road. It's at a little church parking lot. There's an abandoned store here. I'll spin around. There's an abandoned store here they've been trying to sell for years. So it's just got a nice big parking lot we can use. Just over this way, here and behind us. It's got a big cement spot that we can use to kind of rip around. I see some bricks over there in the distance, maybe a big chunk of wood. So we're gonna kind of wander over, see what that is. Maybe we can get ourselves a jump set up. But we're a good place to try out our wheelie bars. So we'll get everything set up here. We'll see what we can do. Hey, we've decided to change up the giveaway a little bit. We're throwing all our eggs in one basket. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're giving away a brand new Traxxas Slash. Let's get a little bit closer so you see what you can win. So when we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, one of you are going to win this new Traxxas Slash VXL brushless. 60 plus mile an hour, new clipless body. This could be yours. So hit that subscribe button and let's get this thing given away. So we went through the old junk pile over there in the back corner. Found a chunk of wood, a couple old WD-40 cans. Got ourselves a nice big run up. See if this wheelie bar does what it's supposed to do. Hopefully it'll keep us down on the ground a little bit better. So we've just got it on like the lowest setting for now, which is, you know, the smallest wheelies. We figured maybe before we hit the jumps, we'll give it a little run around here and see what the different settings are like. Well, that one definitely keeps us down a lot. See if we can turn around here so you can see a good view right off the get-go. But that one really definitely keeps the wheels not very far, maybe an inch off the ground. Still doesn't go very straight, but definitely keeps it down. So give it a sec, we'll change to the next setting. So there we go, we've went down one more setting, or up one more setting, however you want to look at it. Oh, that's pretty good. That gives us some good wheelies without going all the way over. Hold on. Oh, almost right into our poor old ramp. But that's good wheelies that you can hold on to while you're driving. All right, we'll head to one more setting. So there we go. It's at the third setting. Let's see what she does now. Oh, no, just oh, she definitely pulls itself up. Not sure if that was out of view or not, but she definitely held herself up. Give me a second, we'll get her back around here. She just now doesn't want to pull wheelies at all. That's a good, there we go. Oh! Took our poor camera right out. Get her set back up here, there we go. Sorry about that. Probably be a little bit better doing this on pavement. Would really help out a lot. But needless to say. So give me a minute, we'll put her on the fourth setting. So there we go, we got her turned up to all the way. I assume that's just more or less just gonna do wheelies all the time and flip on over. Not so great on this gravel, I have to say. She just really spins all the tires, and the way it goes, we kind of need to be on that pavement a little bit again. And I guess really, we should probably move our camera and go up there. Maybe we'll do that at the end here. But she'll definitely stand up. All right, well, I guess we'll get this camera set up a little bit closer here over to the jump and set this bar deck down a little bit. We'll see how she does. Well, let's see if our cans and wood can hold up and give us a couple of jumps. Oh, just right off the side. Be a little bit better if we actually hit it in the center. I guess you could say it's doing pretty good. We really need to do some bigger jumps here. I think that's definitely going to be one of our videos we're going to have to look into doing. If any of you guys have any tips or tricks on ramp building, portable ramps, I guess, would be the best thing for us. Please drop them down. Oh, two wheels. Drop them down in the comments. We could really appreciate the help on, you know, anything you guys have built or suggestions, that kind of stuff. I think maybe we'll flip up that wheelie bar just a little bit. and see if we can get a little bit bigger jumps. I think that might be holding us back a bit now. There we go. Change her up. Let's see if that makes a difference. Definitely was the wheelie bar holding us back a little bit. Still not a big enough of a jump, that's for sure, but it'll work out for today's video. So I guess, oh, that was pretty good little 2 wheels. Well, I guess as always, if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button at the bottom. That way you get all the new videos and all the fun that we're going to be having. We got a lot coming up. There's going to be a new shop build, a new track build, a whole bunch of stuff coming up in the future here for the summer. Give us a big thumbs up. That helps out for us, gets us out in the viewing public. And if you have any suggestions, drop them down there in the comments. Let us know what you think we should do to this truck. We got a few more little things we think we're going to do next. And like I asked before, if you have any ideas for some jumps, that'd be great. Send them along. So thanks again, and we'll see you soon.